If you're in the middle of a rehab right now and it feels heavier than it should, you still own the deal, but you're no longer steering it. So if you want that, book the call. If you're in the middle of a rehab right now and it feels heavier than it should, well, this video is for you. If money is going out faster than progress is coming in, if timelines are feeling fuzzy, and if you're starting to wonder if you made a mistake, then sit right here. Now, I want to be clear about something up front, though. This isn't about contractors, it's not about motivation, and it's not about working harder. It's about why rehabs feel out of control, even when the numbers still work. So if this is hitting you right now, you're not broken. You're just overwhelmed. Now, most investors think a rehab starts falling apart when a contractor messes up, but that's actually not where things start to drift. So what really happens is you slowly lose the driver's seat. What I mean is, you're not deciding timelines anymore. You're just reacting to delays. You're not defining the scope. You're just reacting to change orders. And yes, you still own the deal financially because, hey, you're still the one paying for everything, but you're no longer steering it across the finish line. And when that happens, the rehab doesn't feel out of control all at once, but it just slowly starts to drain you. So let me describe what this usually looks like and see if any of this hits. You don't really know what's happening week to week. You hesitate to ask for updates because you don't want to be that guy. Timelines are just merely suggestions, not commitments, and you're hoping things improve instead of expecting and enforcing clarity. And mentally, you're more tired than the numbers actually justify. So that's not failure, that's just overload. Now, this happens to good investors, people who did their homework, who did their due diligence, who actually ran the numbers, and people who actually estimated their rehab properly. Now, it happens to the best of us. So this isn't about how smart you are or your intelligence, because you ain't dumb. The real issue is that no one teaches you how to stay in control of a rehab while you're also juggling work, family, and a real life. You thought delegation meant stepping back, but without structure, without clarity, stepping back slowly turned into losing the driver's seat. And once you're out of the driver's seat, every small issue feels bigger than it actually is. Not because the deal is bad, but because you don't know what lever to pull next. So here's the hard truth that most people will not say out loud. Deals don't usually die financially first, they die emotionally. Burnout kills more rehabs and more deals than the numbers ever would. Now, most people don't quit because the deal doesn't work. They quit because they're tired or unsure or afraid of making the wrong next move. Now, here's the dangerous part. When you don't decide, the decision will decide for you. Delays compound, costs creep, and confidence erode. That's how "I just need a little bit more time" turns into months of stress. Now, this isn't about grinding harder. This is about control. And control doesn't mean giving more effort. It comes from having a system that tells you straight up what matters, what doesn't matter, and what decisions come next before the rehab eats you alive. And that's the difference between reacting to a deal and actually running it and driving it. Now, when investors come to us overwhelmed, it's almost never because they don't understand real estate. They typically do, but it's because they're trying to manage a rehab without structure that keeps them firmly placed in the driver's seat. So that's exactly why we built the BRRRRothas Blueprint, not as a theory, not as more real estate jargon, but as a step-by-step system for real deals. It gives you a clear scope of work so contractors don't define the job for you, a rehab schedule so timelines and money don't slowly creep away, and a decision checkpoint so you always know what comes next. In other words, it's putting you firmly back in control of the wheel. So when you book a call with us, it's not about learning more real estate fluff. It's not about stacking more information on what you already got from YouTube University, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. You got all of that. It's about figuring out whether the problem that you're dealing with right now is actually missing a system And if so, what structure can fix it? On the call, we'll look at your deal, your numbers if you want to go there, and where the project is actually starting to drift. And then we'll map out how the BRRRRothas Blueprint would actually be used on your deal right now. If you're done guessing and want a repeatable way to run deals without the chaos, book a call. The link's right there in the description. Now look, you don't need more hustle. You've got all the hustle that you could ever need. What you need is a system that keeps you from making emotional decisions when things get messy. So if you want that, book the call. If not, at least now you know what you're missing.